Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gilang Tadja with student number 2052313 and this.
My name is Muhammad Kamila.
Okay, today I will make a video assessment language teaching methodology and where is total physical response with this Nina. Halo.
Halo.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, Nina.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, today I will teach you with language teaching methodology with a total physical response, and the material for today is animal and weather. When I say like the cat is sleeping, we must act like this, and the material like I prepared before with this 5 art and 5 material. Let's dibaca dulu. Okay, enough. Okay, the first is when I say this cat is sleeping, we must ask like the cat is sleeping, and then number 2 is when I say the bird is flying, you must ask like the bird is flying, and the number 3 is the lion is roaring. When I say the lion is roaring, you must act like this, roaring, and the 4 is it is raining. When I say it is raining, you must act like this and like this, and the last is it is cold, atau kedinginan. Jadi when I say it is cold, you must act like this. Okay, let's start with number 1. What is number 1? The cat is sleeping. What is the cat is sleeping like that?
The cat is sleeping.
Okay, number 2.
The cat
The bird is flying.
The bird is flying.
And number 3.
Number 3.
The lion is roaring.
The lion is roaring.
Okay, and number 4, you must stand up. It is raining.
It is raining.
Okay, now the last is it is cool.
It is cold. It is cold.
Okay. Okay, I think it's enough today. That is totally physical response. And thank you for joining this class. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.